It started out as a gambling game.
In New York City, the Little Flower was on an anti-gambling rampage.
It was still illegal in New York till the 70s.
Wait a second, pinball was illegal? Hi, I'm Becky from KiwiCo, and I'm here today at the Pacific Pinball Museum in Alameda, California. We're gonna learn all about the history of pinball, where it came from, machines from all throughout the last century, and all the technology that goes inside of it. So come on, let's go. Wow, pinball.
Hi, you must be Becky.
Yes, hello.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Michael.
Nice
I'm
to
the
meet you,
founder of the
Michael.
museum. Would you like a tour?
I would love a tour.
Okay, great. So these are some of the early games that brought America to pinball. It started out as a gambling game that continued up until they came up with the flipper. Once they came up with the flipper, it was undeniably a game of skill.
Really just about like playing and getting really good.
Yeah. This is the first machine to use flippers, Humpty Dumpty.
But it's crazy that we had the plunger, then we had the balls and the points, and then the flippers got added. And then it became like a skill game instead of just a chance or probability game.
Everything in this room is electromechanical, meaning that there's no computers, there's no electronics even.
If this is before digital computers, then how are they making all these lights and sounds happen?
It's the switches and relays and a little score motor.
So everything that's happening from the lights to the movement, to the sound, is all physically done. It's so crazy to know that there's no programming, all of the logic is physical. Oh. Is this all digital in this room?
It's all digital in this room. So let me open one up.
It smells like electronics.
I'm just gonna.
Wow.
But that's the underside of a modern pinball machine. And this isn't even the main part. The main part is actually in the head. I can show you the brains.
The brains.
So you can see there's a lot of electronics in these things. But here's one of the main things different about electromechanical and modern games, ramps. So it just got faster and faster.
So they could play faster, they could score faster, it could score more accurately, and it could say pew 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 instead of instead of ding ding ding.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just wrapped up and I had so much fun. It was so incredible to learn about not only the original wooden ones, where it was about probability and chance and gambling, it turns out, but also the electromechanical versions and the super modern digital ones. So if you guys had as much fun as I did on this tour, make sure to like and subscribe for more stuff like this from our YouTube channel. I'm gonna go and play a bunch more pinball until they kick me out, so I'm gonna play El Dorado. Yeehaw!